Good. You take it up and under. All right? It's not a pirate, it's a pass rush pirate. That means go up the field. We want you guys on level so you can split. All right? Go again. Queens, queens, queens. Set. Heat. Good, right? Good. All right.
Go. Go. Oh, I guess. Go. You got a real title here today. He's got nice. Much better job than what the box is. You gotta get your depth. Come on, go. Good, Chill. Good. Nice. Red sprint. Open yet. Loosen up. Come on, go. Run. Keep on. Good. Shuffle. Good. Nice. Go. Yeah, go. Take him. Here we go. Go. Good. Nice job. Panic, right? Open, cross, and shuffle. Right? Someone's gonna help you. Either back or tight, someone's gonna help you. Get step. Where? Go. Nice job. Go.
Hey, you hung it out there, and then you were just trying to touch him the whole way.
You're playing like this.
Get there with your feet.
You're playing grab.
Okay,
so you're playing like this. Coach on defense goes slow. If you're going that way, you're doing this first and trying to go. So then when you change direction, you're doing this. You're grabbing. I'm going this way.
You don't have any base
feet locked in with your
I definitely got it.
Put your elbow down. Put your elbow down. Here y'all go. Fiona.
Go.
Hey, Joe, when you jump, you're not putting your hand. You jump, then let them crush your face. I'm here. You go back. I'm here. Then I'm here. Down the line.
Oh, kind of. Oh, yeah, right there. Good. Yes. Oh, yeah. Damn, chance. Hit. Oh!
Hey, can I get a towel?
Damn.
Oh!
Real over. 2x4. Real over. 2x4. 2x4. Hey, push the stand off.
They got that shit at 4K. You're not safe.
Move.
Get this shit off the field. Just get it off the field.
2x4. Get some water.